So students, we are going to discuss the topic functions. As you can see in front of you, this is extracted from your book itself. Functions. What are the functions? These are the pre-designed formulas in Excel to perform both simple and complex calculation. As we have done earlier also, basic formula and complex formula. So it is done, but we can perform the same thing with the help of functions also. They are already designed. What they do, they save our time and eliminate the chance to write wrong formulas. As we have discussed in previous videos, sometimes we do mistakes. So the chances of mistakes are reduced in the case of functions because they are already designed. But what we need to do is we need to use arguments and return values. Arguments are the input values to the functions which we need to specify in the brackets in the parentheses, and these values can be number, text, etc. but they should be enclosed within parentheses. And return value means what will be returned after the calculation. Another thing we need to remember is formula begin with equal to sign. If we will not put equal to sign, we won't be able to use any kind of formula. And there is one quick view also. If you want to copy the formula to all the cells in the selected range, we can use press F2. We can press F2 and then we can press Ctrl plus enter. And in that case, the formula will be copied. For example, if I write 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, and in this I need to change the reference, that is G10, and it is calculated fine. And suppose here also there is some value 12 and 14. Here I use F2 and then I need to do Control plus enter. Fine. And it is saying to copy the formula to all the cells in the selected range, press F2 and then Control plus enter. So we need to select it, press F2 and then Control plus enter, and you can see that it has come to the bottom one also. Fine. And then we'll continue reading the topic. The next thing is about the rules. There are certain rules for the function. Every Excel function should begin with equal to sign. You would have observed here also. Here I have used directly the formula. But if I want to use the function, so this is possible also. And for that I need to write sum bracket begin this value comma this value, and then I'll be able to get the answer. Fine. To multiply sum of F11 comma G11, but definitely there should be equal to symbol before that. Next is function name must be a valid Excel name. Definitely sum, average or whatever names are there, they need to be used like that only. We cannot change the name. And function name must be followed by opening and closing parentheses. You have seen we are using parentheses, these kind of brackets for beginning as well as ending. And the last one is arguments are enclosed in parentheses. Fine. I have shown you recently that how these arguments are supposed to be mentioned. Arguments like F11 comma G11, these are the arguments for the sum function. So this way we can use the function. In the next video we will be learning about the different functions, right? So thank you so much.